Alright guys, we're gonna be doing an oil change on this 2005 Honda Accord.
What?
Yeah, that's the name of the car. So, okay, let's see.
Wait, where's my thing down to go?
Right there. So guys, go on the other side, yeah.
Thing on the other side, so then you can see it. That is Jackie. You got it. Come on, let's see. So as you can see, the jack is there.
Make sure you're not close to the car, okay?
Yeah.
Don't go under the car.
Yeah. There.
Okay.
See?
So,
See what my dad has to do. He's taking some. He's taking one of these. We have two of those. I don't know what they are, but yeah.
those are jacks, I think.
Oh, those are jacks, he said.
I think.
Oh, he thinks. He doesn't know yet. But we'll find out. So as you can see, he's trying to lift it up. Okay. So he is trying to now lift the car up. Let's see if the car is lifting up anywhere. Come on, you guys. Let's see. Oh, look, the car's off the ground. See? I won't get you under there. See? It's off the ground. Now he's going to try to get the oil change. Here's the whole engine. Very, not clean.
Okay. This is the nut. And that's the filter, okay. Okay. Okay, that's the nut, okay. 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 We need this. And then.
Do you want that oil thing that leaks out? The oil?
Okay.
That thing. This.
Oh yeah. Can you bring that?
Yeah. One minute, guys. Let me just put it. Where do you want it?
Just over there. Where's the phone?
Okay, there. So this is that's where the oil's going to leak. Okay.
Okay, first we should undo the bolt. I think. It's been a while since I've done my own oil change. Let's see. Okay, remember, okay? The car falls on me, you have to run and call Mama.
Okay.
No, need a bigger one. Okay, got it.
These are some things. I do not know what they are, but yeah, there's this one. This is 10, 11, 12, 13. No, which one is 13? I think this is 13, and this is 14, this is 15, this is 16, this is 17, this is 18, this is 19, this is 20. Yeah, that's 20. Okay, and yeah. It's under there. Dropped. Okay. Look at all the oil in there. When we did this oil change car, we did it, when did we do this oil change car?
When did we do that one? Like probably 2 days ago?
We did this one 2 days ago. That's some leftover oil in there. And the guy forgot to take out. And that's our lawnmower. This is our acreage house. Our neighbors there, they're building it. If you zoom in really good, you can see a guy there, sitting right there. But yeah. He's working. We have pipes draining. Oh, that's ground right there. You're wondering. And that's the pump. What's it called? I think it's the jack. What? Pumping. No, he's not turning it. No, pumping. What the heck? Why do I keep saying pumping? Yeah, and you got it? Did you get it?
I don't know if I have the right size.
He doesn't know if he has the right size. Oh, let's see. Same one as. Rock glue is nice. I like it because it squishes around. Some cardboard, that's what I think. Yeah, this is coming together. Yeah, if I took you inside and I took you the main bathroom, no, not the main bathroom, the guest bathroom, you would see a lot of work not done. You got it.
Finally.
Took a long time. Let's see the oil come out down there. See? Oh, that's a lot of light.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
And what? Did it work?
Yeah.
Blocked.
Can you see the oil?
Yeah, blocked.
I need that black cloth key.
Black cloth.
Yeah.
Where's the black cloth over there? He has oil on his hand. And yeah.
Ah, there's a bee.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
There, man.
Where?
There, outside. Oil is almost green. It's time to get the filter. Okay, Kaden.
Yeah.
Same thing, okay? If the car falls, you gotta go get Mama. Okay?
Will you be okay?
What?
Will you be okay?
I don't know. We'll find out. Okay.
Is the video on?
The wheels?
No, the video.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep sweeping this place up. A little messy. I'm gonna take the camera.
What?
I'm gonna take the camera. Oh no.
No, that's okay. Oh man, I gotta wait for this to drain. Okay, maybe I can go on the other side. What happened?
What's on your head?
Dust.
Okay, don't let it put your head down. There's a broom on it. Okay, you can put it down right now. I'll put you on first away.
Who was that? Okay, hold on. Let me put this bolt back. That's done. Can you give me this, Kaden?
This?
Yeah. Let me tighten it. Okay, I think that's good.
That's good.
I think I tightened it enough.
We're driving in the middle of the road and it started leaking out of my car.
Yeah, that's not good if it leaks out. Okay, give me that, Kaden, right there.
This?
Yeah,
Papa's tool?
yeah. Okay, it's loosening. The filter is loosening. Yeah, so just need to get it out. Okay, let's see if I can do it with my hands. Okay, get ready. Oil is gonna pour out.
Can they see it?
I don't know, but I'll move. It's pouring out.
It is?
Yeah, very little though, because I drained the engine oil. Okay, Kaden,
Yeah.
you see that black box in that that tray over there? You see that metal tray on the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you see that black box in it?
Yeah.
I need that. That's the filter. That's
SSWIX.
yeah, that's the new filter. I need it. Oh, damn it. Okay, this is the new filter. Oh, forgot one thing.
What did you get?
We have to always rub oil on this all around here just to lubricate it. You see it?
Yeah.
You see this thing? You gotta put oil on it before you put it in.
Oh, the bee died.
Hmm?
The bee is dead.
How do you know?
It's laying right here.
In front of you?
Right here.
Oh. Where's that blue handle? Yeah.
Let me show the people better. Here's a bug. I think it's not me, but okay. Over here. Wow, that's a lot of oil.
Now we gotta drop the jack down first. Lift it a little to get to this down. Now we can drop the jack and drop the car. Put this here. Now we get the new oil. Open this. Over here. Make sure there's no oil in here. Okay, good. Where's the funnel? The hell? Why won't it go in?
Maybe it doesn't fit.
Okay. So we should go in this way then.
solid bit.
Not with this.
You need a new one?
No, I gotta check the level first. Make sure there's no leaks. Yes, there's no leaks. Okay, now. Like no oil, man. Gotta put more. So get a new bottle.
He's going to use a lot of oil. I thought this car, I mean Mama's car, didn't take that much oil.
Yeah, it did.
And how come this one does?
Well, that was like a quarter of the bottle that was left. So we need to put at least 3/4 of the bottle. So maybe half of this bottle will be used. Let's check. Okay, it's starting to come. See, Kaden? It has to be
Between those two dots?
at least in the middle of these two dots, or at maximum to the top dot.
Oh, what if it's higher?
Then you gotta drain some oil. You gotta lift that car back up and then take out some oil because it can't go higher than that. It's not good.
More oil coming in. You can see.
Let's check again.
See.
Oh, it's come up. Now it's in the middle. Let's check one more time. Actually, leave it. We need more for sure.
How do you know?
Because it's not enough. I know it's not enough.
Oh, that's a lot of oil this car takes.
Okay. Give it a few seconds to settle down. Okay, now. Okay, right on the money. Let's check one more time. Let's put it in.
Which way did it go?
It's just clean oil, so it's really clear. But you can see it's right at the second dot. You see it, kid?
Yeah.
So that's good. Let's do it one more time just to be safe. Just to be sure, I mean. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now we can put this back. Take this out. Keep this here, so whatever drains, it drains in the cloth. Tighten this. Now.
There's a lot of oil in there.
Drain all of this oil. Make sure the pan is
Why Why does it have to go in that bottle?
Because this bottle is the old bottle, one of our empty bottles. So Papa said to keep the old oil. I don't know why he wants to use it. I'm gonna,
Give it a old oil.
yeah, I'll give it to him and then he can do whatever he wants with it. And it's done. I'm gonna keep this here. Okay. Now, Aiden,
Yeah.
I'm gonna reverse the car out.
Okay.
I'm gonna park normally.
Where do I stand? Here?
Wherever you can.
Okay. Let's see him driving his car. I hope he doesn't crash it. That's a nice light. Let's see if we can see that man again. See man. No, I can't see him anymore, but I can really see a car down there. See that car there? It's really good. Yeah, you can't see that many guys. But it's okay. Let's turn back up. Okay, he's reversing. It'll crash into that other car. Oh, now he's going back in. Can we see him inside his car? Oh yeah, we can see him inside his car. Okay, he parked it. Nicely done. Okay. So,
Okay, we're all done. Just have to clean up.
okay. Well, I hope you liked our video. We'll see you in the next video. It might be out in tomorrow or the next day. We'll see. Bye for now. See you later.